Hey everybody, this is Character Diva here from from the Disney Divas and Divos. As you can see, we have a Walt Disney World Disney Kids Preschool Playdate Box. And I'm here with Little Man, Little Princess, and the littlest man, who as you can tell is eagerly trying to open the box. So let's see what we got, guys.
Yay! Look what we got.
Okay, so we have some headbands that are Sophia the First on one side, Jake and the Neverland Pirates on the other side. Hold on, guys, show Mommy something else. What else do we got?
This.
What's that?
It's a lion guard. We don't have that yet.
We have some cool Lion Guard posters.
Ooh! Mickey Mouse.
We have a Mickey Mouse head. We've got Watch Disney Junior Walt Disney World tote bags.
And what is that? I have my suitcase.
We've got all kinds of directions for Character Diva. And in here, what's this?
A suitcase.
A Princess Sophia the First suitcase.
And those.
And those, all kinds of fun stuff. Can we open the box? Let's
Sure.
open the suitcase and see what's inside. Sophia's quite the popular little suitcase at the moment.
But, excuse me, Miss Mommy.
Yes, sweetheart.
And it's my suitcase.
Here. Guys, I know as popular as Sophia is, let's look inside. Oh! Alright, we've got all kinds of maps. We have frozen sandwich bags from Glad. Thank you, Glad.
Look! Look!
We have Kilimanjaro safari animals. What was that you were saying, little man? We've got Nesquik chocolate milk.
And Donald.
We've got Mickey Mouse Clubhouse party cups.
Mommy, we got these. Whoa.
There's also some glitter animal glue and liquid fusion clear urethane adhesive.
Ooh, napkin.
We got Mickey Mouse napkins.
Yep.
Hold on, littlest man, you're running off with our suitcase.
Hey.
We got
Lion
plates.
Ooh, Lion Guard.
Lion Guard tattoos.
Hey. Party decoration.
We've got a Mickey Mouse Clubhouse tablecloth.
Ooh, look what we got.
We've got my very, very smelly breath scratch and sniff book. Some more Mickey Mouse Clubhouse decorations. And all stain lifters. Always good when you have little kids. And I think that's it. So for more tips from our upcoming Disney side party,
Yeah.
keep coming back and checking with the Divas. Talk to you guys later. Bye.